Let me go look at my favorite coin, Doge. I lost the opportunity to buy it at fucking what? Oh, you meant down there? Oh, I thought you meant 70 cents. I was about to tell you, I bought it at 70 cents and didn't lose out. Oh, okay. No. I fucked up. I didn't buy Doge at the... It's never gonna go lower than that. That was the bottom. I fucked up! They said maybe they messed up and they meant this year it's going to $1. Yeah, they messed up on the decimal point. Yeah. Yeah. Drew said this year it was supposed to go to 1,140. Yeah. I would love to. We need to talk. Yeah, we need to give it karma. We gotta give XLM good karma by talking shit about it. So that you can be like, expect this. No, well, go ahead, money. No, 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 that's not how it works. You can't talk shit about it. I mean, good about it. You gotta talk shit. You're already ruining it. XLM going to 0 now. Oh, jeez. Yeah, XLM's garbage. You'd be crazy to buy XLM at this price. Like, it's gonna dump so much. It'll never go back up to its original price. Same numbers, yeah. There's so much confluence on Doge, dude. I think it's because the owners they sell off a little bit at a time. That's why it doesn't go up in price as much as it should. Cause like the two holders, they've been like I don't know if you know, but the person that left XLM, he's no, I don't think. No, 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 no. Because I'm pretty sure he's selling. He's selling off. He has like a weekly thing that he sells off, a weekly amount that he sells off. Not 2 years ago, because just last year it said that for the first time in history, instead of selling off in his history of having that wallet, instead of selling off, he actually bought some XLM. July 2022 is when he sold everything. Okay. Okay. I told you. When you sell. This was a pretty quick recovery by AVAX back up here. By the way, if I'm just telling you, KG, if we don't do mean reversion and AVAX just pumps here, this guy's wrong, because you can't interpret it 1,000 different ways and they all be right. Well, nothing. No, 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 no. I don't want to hear that, because you can't say that they're both fucking right. That this is gonna dump and then it's gonna blast, so I shouldn't buy yet. Or it blasted right now and he called it again. You know, like, you can't call it both ways. Like, every which way, no matter what happens, he's right. Yeah, because the first thought was that it was gonna pump, right? So he was looking for like entries, right? Now hit. Okay, but you were interpreted it as look for an entry, right? And now the interpretation is we're gonna dump, so we can. Oh my god! I give up. Okay, all right. If it makes a lower high and makes a lower low, he's right. If it makes a higher high and a higher low, he's right. Like, there's no. That's the thing about this whole telling the future thing. Like, if you're vague enough, you're always gonna be right. Yeah, it was near that area. I just didn't. I just. Oh my god! You can't just do that. You can. I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah, I don't really care, but it was to get you to think about it. Like, I'm a little always skeptical about these guys because they could just be so vague and it doesn't really, you know, like, people will just be like, believe it, like, oh yeah, it's true. So, believe it. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me. I agree with you, Turbo. I just thought of a way to kind of represent what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna come out with my Hasaka theory. Wherever BTC goes up to, because that's basically what he's doing. He's not giving it a top for AVAX. Wherever it's going to, we will do a mean reversion and pump from there. We'll have a move up. So wherever the top is, we will go to the 0.5 of that, or we'll go to any other mean reversion, because I'm not being very picky about where I'm saying. We'll go to any of the other, yeah, and we'll pump from that, you know? Like, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, that's literally what he's telling you, and I'm trying to show you that, like, he's always going to be right. No, but that's what, literally, the facts are, what he's saying is that mean reversion and then a move up. And then he also wrote that he's not sure if AVAX will pump. Yes, he did. You said that yesterday, that he's not sure. You told me yesterday. Okay. So no. Well, he yeah. No, it's just no. It's not. It's not ego based. This is. We're talking. Wait. No. I see some usefulness for it. The thing is that people are trading off it and saying that it's the, like, that it has like 100% hit rate. No, I find it useful. I'm just saying, people are talking about it as if it has like 100% hit rate, and I'm just saying how it could be misinterpreted, right? Like, I use indicators and oscillators, but if you're back testing them, you'll find oscillators that are 100% effective at trading the market, 100% in the back test. And then you try to use them and you can't use them because it's deceptive in the way that it's working. So if you're mentioning something like an oscillator or like a Twitter page that has a 100% hit rate, I'm trying to show you, and in real time, right, with KG, how it could be misleading. How that hit rate could actually be misleading. Because KG, after following that thing, out of, I think it was 3 or 4 trades, how many of them were profitable? You know, like that's what I'm trying to get here. It's not 100% hit rate. Yeah, I'm not talking about this whole time. I haven't been talking about like if I think it's gonna dump or pump, right? Like I don't really, I haven't been putting that into the account, into the equation. I've been trading AVAX longs and shorts with you, right? Because I've been trying to follow this thing with you, right? But when you're telling me it could pump, it could not pump, it can retrace all the way down almost 50%, and this guy will still be right about AVAX pumping. Or it could not retrace, or it could not. Okay, or it could not. No, no. But let's say this. No, no, no. But let's say this. You're saying that if it dumps 50%, and then it goes up after that, which is like the 0.5. So if it goes to the 0.5 from here, and goes back up, he's right. If it doesn't go back, so we're talking about it not doing a whole 50% move, instead pumps from right here, he's still right, right? So there's no way for this guy really to be wrong, because any price action in between, mean reversion is your interpretation of it, right? But if you bought anything in this market over the last year, like buying in spot, like he bought in spot, right? So I didn't. Yeah, if you had bought any of these, okay, maybe he did. Uh, I don't know. I wasn't there for that, but I don't know how accurate that is. But let's assume it is. Okay, he called the soul bottom, but to okay, fair enough. Uh, mm. No, and I don't think that that's wrong, because I believe we're gonna go up too to fill a gap, but like on the smaller, like in like a day or 2 days, we could, yeah. I'm not putting that off the table. Yeah, we could go make new highs. I'm just talking about. I'm not even talking about the validity of what your current projection. It's the fact that literally it could go anywhere, and this guy you will consider it as another hit. This guy got it. He figured it. Even though you may not even be, no. But even though you may not even be able to trade that trade, right? Like I've been following these AVAX trades with you, and oh, why do I care? No, I'm just making him think about it. It obviously, if someone comes in. No, 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 no. It's not disprove. It's just to show the flaws in it. Yeah, there could be people that understand the market. My issue here is not whether he understands or not. It's the fact that giving that vague of a thing, even if he didn't understand the market, could give people the false assumption that he does understand the market, because he's just making it so vague that any interpretation could be correct. So if 6 months from now, AVAX has retraced, is down at 20, um, you buy, and then in another year or so, the whole market's pumping and AVAX made a new high. Well, let's just say that's the time frame. Let's just say that's the time frame. Is he right? Another year from now, bull market. What if AVAX is in that bull market an average performer? Is he still right? A year and a half from now? No, no, it continues its uptrend. Everyone else is making new highs too. It's just an average performer, or slightly below average performer. No, I'm just trying to give you this hypothetical because I want to know in which scenario you would think that he's wrong. Like it, like forever. Okay. Let's see. It depends on how you want to define break the uptrend, but let me take a look. AVAX. Breaking the uptrend would be a lower high. Is that how you would define it? Okay. So, because if you're talking about breaking this trend line, I believe I already broke it. On the daily? The upward move trend line on the daily? Yeah, but that's not the trend line. Okay, that's all I was asking. How do you define when you said trend line? That's why I drew trend lines and was trying to. Yeah, but if we break down below 33, we'll break that trend line. We'll break that upward trend. Okay, maybe 31. Maybe you could measure the line. Okay, so if it breaks below 31, then it will have broken the trend, and that will be the invalidation. Go on my YouTube, Mo Money. I've been putting the trades on YouTube, and you could go in general too. All the AVAX trades that I've been getting into, I've been putting them in general too. Money. Go on the YouTube. Go look at the. I changed the way the YouTube looks. Go look at it. Look at it. I have. Yeah, I took my profit. I didn't go into that long though. Remember, I was targeting 34. Never went to 34. So I missed out on that trade. It would have been a good trade if I got it. No, I don't think it's sucking shit. I'm just trying to make him think about the fucking. It just seems like, fucking. There's no scenario in which this TA could be wrong, and it'd be okay. Which is at 31 or 21. Because you mentioned mean reversion too, which would bring us to 21. So will he be right if we break the uptrend and then still go to 21 and then bounce? Will you just have misinterpreted it? You just would have misinterpreted it then, right? Uh-huh. But he'll still. But my question is, will he still be right? Because at that point you're already at 4 wrong trade. You've misinterpreted it 4 times wrong. Okay, so that's just my point. If he's right no matter what, then that's all I wanted to. That's just the point. Yep, it would definitely help me. I believe there are good actors. It's just my point is that you can misinterpret this thing 1,000 different ways, and it can go 1,000 different directions, and every single one of them you'll say that he's right. Right? That's just my point here. Like we just talked about, if it breaks 31, he won't be right. But then I asked you again, if it goes to 21 and it pumps, he's right again. So no matter what, if it pumps right now, if it pumps off 31, if it pumps off 21, He's right. No, 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 no. No, I'm assuming that if it goes to any price, you'll tell me that he figured it out. In any time frame. If any time frame, any price. My determination, my exactly that he's wrong. Good. That's what I should do. Okay. So my point is that his what he's saying is so vague. When he's wrong, the second he posts. That's it. No, no, no. I'm Luke. Literally, that's not. But that's not my. I'm saying that as a joke. He obviously he could be right if he puts up a post and he says check out Solana this week, you know, and then he puts like a arrow pointing up, right, and it goes up that week, right? I'll be like, oh, good call, right? But if he posts something like AVAX, it might take time, mean reversion, whatever, and you're saying it can pump from here, he'll be right. It can retrace from here down to 31, and as long as it doesn't break the trend line, he's right. But wait, it can also go down to 21, and then he's also right. And then it could take a year and a half for us to make a new high with the whole market, and it could underperform every other coin, but it made a new high, so he's right. Like, God damn it, you keep distracting me from my current goal here, and my goal is not to get distracted, but you're distracting me. It's not right. No, no, no. I don't believe it's. I don't believe one way or the other. And I've been trading it for the last 2 days, right? And I've been posting the trades like 70%, 60% trades, 30%. I did 30% one today, but I've been trading it along the way. I'm just trying to explain how that sort of vagueness could be misrepresented as a hit rate, a positive hit rate. So he was you were saying he was promoting ETH beta. Ah, I see. Okay, can't argue with that.
And honestly, I could easily see that being a huge fake out type of thing when there's other projects with more value